guys, it's me, Camilla. So I wanted to come on here and just share with you really quickly something about insurance that was actually on my mind a few minutes ago, and I thought it was something that was good to let you know. So I was giving a quote to this seasoned person last week, and we were talking about insurance, and he or she wanted to get a quote for insurance, and they were, say, 78 years old. Okay, so 78, and they were getting a quote on some insurance, and they wanted a term policy. And what happened was the policy that I looked up. Okay, so I looked up different. Okay, so I looked up different quotes for my client, for my potential client. And on the quotes, the prices were a little bit elevated, right? Because of the age, right? The age is going to definitely elevate the prices. And the price is a little bit elevated for, let's say, $50,000 policy, $100,000 policy was a little bit elevated, in my opinion, as well. But we have to consider the reason why the policy is a little bit higher is because of the age, right? The age, and of course the habits, stuff like that, falls into place. But let's just particularly say right now the age. So that potential client had mentioned to me that they received something in the mail from a couple of different companies, and I don't want to name the companies, so we'll skip that part. But there was a couple of companies on there that you hear on TV all the time, and that you get stuff in the mail all the time, and probably on your email all the time. And he or she was telling me that they saw a, let's say, $3 a month for $100,000 policy for insurance. That is probably a way to get you in so they can just talk to you. Either number one, it's a way to get you in so they can just talk to you, or number two, it's a way to get you in and now you're a lead. And now you're going to be receiving a lot of information, emails or what have you, from other companies trying to get you in. Sometimes you'll see 99 cents, for this policy. Okay, I want to let you guys in a secret. Okay, come here. No. You're not going to pay 99 cents or $3 or $5 a month for a $100,000, $50,000 policy. Okay? Let me tell you. Shh. Not going to happen. You're going to be put on an email list, or you're going to be put on some kind of list of a lot of people, right? So I'm just trying to save you guys some time. I know that sounds wonderful. And 1 month at 99 cents or 1 month at $3 is wonderful, but that's not what you guys are going to end up paying. You're going to end up getting on an email list that you don't want to be on, okay? So just know that, and I just want you guys to know, and that came across my mind really fast because I had been talking about that with the individual, and you got to get your insurance policies early. It's just that simple. They have to get in early. The earlier the better, because as time goes on, things we don't know. Things go on, things happen within our lives and our health, and it's going to be tragic, and you're going to be around here trying to find insurance, and you're not going to be able to find it for the price you want to pay. So the earlier the better. Get your children to get insurance, your teenagers. People can get insurance as early as 15 years old, and also babies 14 years old and up can get insurance as well. 15-year-old and up can get insurance. 18 definitely 100% needs an insurance policy. Whether you get term life or whole life, then you need to get a policy either way it goes, because it's going to be a lot cheaper, right? So, and just to let you know, I had a policy on one, my kids, and I want to go through it all, but the monthly rate was like $15 a month. Can't beat that, right? Because we don't know what's going to happen from day to day. I see all types of accidents, people dying or whatever. You need to get insurance. And You don't have to get it from me, but if you get it from me, you're not going to be put on an email list. Nobody's going to be, I'm not going to sell your information. You're not going to be sold, and I'm going to call you. Okay? So there's the website. Give me a call.